Hi guys, welcome to Technogram. If you are not subscribed to our channel, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to join our notification squad.
It's tough to find all the great deals in shopping apps like Flipkart and Amazon. Well, there's a solution. In this video, we'll see the solution for this small problem. First, go to the App Store or the Play Store and download the app named Roobai. And you can see I've already downloaded this app. It's just 3 MB guys, and go to this app. Now, after downloading this app, you can see the MRP of the product in the left side and the price in which the product is sold now on the right side. And it also shows how much percent the product price has dropped. It combines all the best deals and gives you a best results to buy. And also guys, if you want to buy a product like this, you want to click the product and just click get deal, and it will reconnect to the shopping site which offers the deal. And in this case it's amazon.in. If you click the product in which Flipkart offers the deal, it will reconnect you to Flipkart. And as you can see, it's on the same price the Roobai app showed. And also guys, the Diwali season is on, so guys, so this app would be really useful to get all the great deals. So if you end up liking this video, please do give us a thumbs up and follow us on all the social medias. Links are given in the description area below, and share this video to the friends who are interested in shopping, and use the Ruba app during your shopping time. And that's it for this short video guys. Bye, take care.